And so be so editing some menu a tool so it means oyi na wasama. It's either oyi the good one out of you and give you negative, and either oyi the negative out of you and give you the positive.
Ebusia wonim se abefunim de ena sesei ewoso wonim se wontimi bibia ewo wiase sesei abra wonfo abefunim de emfa nka won wosan so enim se sesei no ebesonsum nsam so a abefunim de asan agbewiri mu ana oso daye wonti ase wodaye so ache wodaye so entimi mbem Edonchi enene me kanfo Prophet Dr. Abennego Ediama ono ena onyankopon enam ne so na ode abefu ewremu ewo sunsun semu a ode gi nyankopon emma edi from how ene mamane ene omatiti mu edonchi onyankopon enam ne so ede a new spiritual science technology ede ababontin a ye freno eye castoplanto technologies me ba chawo hwe Prophet Dr. Abennego a owo ensam adwagiri castoplanto technologies casting out negativity and plant in positivities.
Mesa so ema akwaba bi mu senya me kwa na me kan ye no ene yense ya ye frɛ ne palm eno na ye ba besua eho ade eho hia bebre ese empempi no ade bi ewo nipadua na ho no ewo sa wote ase no wahu kwan a wo befa so a wo be yusu no ede afa enti emeni Dr. Mohamed na etnase a yebedi enkomo yi na wonso wa join ne do comments ede abam na ya cha hokura no kame ho na ya ma no akwaba daddy memo akwaba
Watana si mame apome
Yesu adom me ho eye na wonso e
da bi na si me ho ye
ye da Yesu ase Dr. Mohamed eyedin bi a amanfo ate na omatonka nanso ene no mesre se obekire eye obi a Dr. Mohamed eye
Okay na edi kan mi da kunya we be chia amanfo a mo hwe me se break most especially me students me friend Dr. Mohamed didwa so enemy say Lord Zilla
okay
even also friend me Zan Oni me teacher me chere spirituality
okay
na me school ni din seekers of truths me chere so eduma tena so de etie me chere astrology me chere palmistry numerology religion spiritism all that angles in me me obi a me dey me chere amanfo ene me sa eboa amanfo efa sunsun afemu esa sanipa so yare
ene na che se ene no ye nkomo no emu ebeye de yi nti ye ba besua ade na ye be dane kasa no so kakra e wo se ye de brofo no frafra ye futufra eme nkomo no eye de na obi anya ne tefa ewo mu ye mpasa ye be ye ba ya asinti no se ye kasa ne dane a na amafa na sa e de amame aya doctor yan fem free our palm what is in the palm that we have to know?
First of all, you see, most people see the palm to be nothing.
Okay.
They just feel that it is part of us. We use it to eat, work. That's all we know about it.
Yeah.
But nipa de sele nkasano, wonsa no. Sa otina ho edwinu ku echira bisa ho se oduma nkuma oye obo ade no. Ade ntina obo wonsa no. Ena odi ntwere bi.
Yeah.
Insan.
Okay.
Now apart from insan, if you honam na body no, bibia ne wa max bia a natural mark or body na nkasa no. Why edi atu ni pepia no.
Okay.
So insan ene onai. Enti ye insan no, any ye nine no has a lot to talk about us.
Okay.
If say obo ade no obo na ewiase no, obo wo ni padese no, wanja wusa.
Yeah.
So no, omawo map. Map a wodi bebo bra.
Okay.
Map na be kira wo se faha. Men faha. Ye we. Men ye we. On krabia na wan kasa wa kra odi ba no. Sa on krabia no ni kan say agreement no oni obo ade ne koyo. Ni nia no ye da tu nsem. Sa na be ya obe wiase. But ma bo bra amana si wi.
Okay.
And sa wo bo bra no na sa ansi wi ya. Undimi blame obia na make what must
me pachan
enti yawo ebinom a from Reikist and as a Montanus.
Okay.
We call Asian side. Almost to be the Sunny Pire.
Okay.
Me one of those people.
Oh, okay.
So, me the inside a diking so. Yarewa Bia, Yarrow Bia, me I show say met ma hu yare kro a
okay.
So now unsan say won hia say ba ma we dura unsan ya wo me bi a memia no ho ato.
Oh, okay.
So
over massage me nsan keke.
No ho ato.
Oh, okay.
Obi a under or you depressed. Let my massage unsan within 50 minutes we better. So ho. And because we humans we relate with the power. So and any part that say no obo ade no your idea your friend of cosmic energy and a cosmic flow. Now some cosmic energy idea what the cosmos is the combination within the cosmos to me so could be every moon then eba ewiase egu any part that say no. Okay. It is our cosmic flow and the man pa oda and the ma sorry and the ma utimi didi and the ma utimi ejuma. Na sa cosmic in a flow ekogu nsem. Okay. So no, ekogu nsem a all the prophecy your destiny is in your hand. Yeah. So no, it's up to you to decide what to do with it. And then your destiny is in your hand. Because ensano e ka asem bebre e fa. Oh, okay. So now aside from that and also no, you are there a power point which is the willpower, which is chakras. Now chakras no idea bi a time no so and me to be explain into further kind of saying idea bi a say cosmic and flow e woni pemu a it has to live in that chakra. It's like a tube to grow for a certain peak of level and near then it will act. Okay. So and the yen ceremony and our chakras our power points our ceremony. Enti obohu ne say mame hwe won sa won say obi a wo hwe bibia no here is the first chakra. Okay. Here is the willpower, which is the root chakra. Chakra to have the will to do something. Okay. So anyway so a chakra. So sacral chakra to enable you to do astral projection. Astral projection is a nipa would will crab a pee. Okay. No what call with the different realms. Okay. So we anyway so a chakra. So we has a chakra enable nipa which is the solar plexus. Okay. No a man nipa onya the connection with everything. So and a house we so a chakra which is the heart chakra. Heart chakra a man nipa onya love, peace. You see, love thyself. Yeah. Love your neighbor thyself. And to wear a ma jealousy, hatred. Okay. So a fool to build this chakra. So anyway, a throat chakra. Throat chakra, a chakra, a manipa unya eloquence. Okasa mean you're very powerful. And you obeke biara amount for a day. It's Utunyuma, Celine Dion. Celine Dion has the power of the throat chakra. Yeah. And Otunyuma is like a magic. Kelly. Yeah. Otunyuma is like a magic. Okay. Echo. Otunyuma is like a magic. Okay, so those people they have the ability of the throat chakra. Okay. And this is Kwame Eugene. Okay. Those people. Root said Shatawali. Look at the okay. And some now yes, no, not in some crampo. Bueno, and yen some no. Okay. And more was someone a trick crowd. Okay. So what you see? Anyway, the third eye chakra. The third eye chakra, and hence you are able to see beyond the five senses, to see beyond imagination. Okay. So and you will be more naturally no it means is more active. Okay. And a crown chakra. The crown chakra which is the pramadam. And the crown chakra a manipa edani God. Your Osafo Kantanka is God on earth. Yeah. And also conject. Yen saying ya so anatomy so. Our relation. Okay. So you need anatomy so. your heart, your stomach, your head. It has a relation.
Okay.
So, and Osha, Nipa de Sen Wonseni. So, when I was son, also this region, Ahasi.
Yeah.
Edwini. Our relation. And it's so bad when I met my show was because eye problem. Won't you say, the doctor, then owns eye problem. What you see, because with me, you are there, feeling your center may connect with the energy over there. So I will be able to tell near the near possible problem. Into ways, so anyway, so at your heart and your heart, your kuma, and your lungs, and the headache, the chest, the lungs, and the heart all included.
Okay.
So anyway, so at your lens, the eye lens, also eyeballs is different from the lens.
The lens, yeah.
Okay, and the way you know at your lens and the anyway, so at your brain, and so if you are depressed, if you are totally depressed, won't mean that. What was the fitiha? This region, fitiha ebaha, fitiha ebaha, massage.
Okay.
Massage within 50 minutes will be there. One massage in this place. You put it to try. But my try. No one comment sessions. Okay. You sleep.
Okay.
So why you broke your heart? Who did massage your hormone?
Okay.
You sleep. Okay. Fine. And I see, and your stomach.
Okay.
And intestine.
Okay.
And headache. And alcohol.
Okay.
So and I hustle. Yeah. The spine.
Okay.
Waists. Thighs. And alcohol.
Okay.
And a hustle. And your kidney.
It's a whole show be there. You can identify say nipa no or kidney problem.
Oh yes, my diagnosis is our obi o hwe bia wo cancer ni am diagnosis wo ha, HIV ni am diagnosis wo ha. Obi
Amade no de anya branca ma o de me
me hwa mo kidney and alcohol.
Okay.
So and a hustle no and your genital organ.
Okay.
And headache and alcohol.
Okay.
So until your palm no is pure science.
Yeah.
The palm has a lot to do with our spiritual life, our mental life, our physical life, includes our health, status.
Okay.
And it is not meant for only eating, drinking, and hard works. And also, the left palm, the left hand, it receives a female. It receives energy from divine.
Okay.
Then the right send. And those share oba ni bema wana receive.
Oba
da ho. Na bema na ere. And so the man or the masculine gives out. The masculine send energy and the feminine receives
the energy.
And so who say so pelibia eba bede eba beshrawa. So I'm okutu and that's about the ordinance. The right energy. He has to send the blessings on top of you.
Or release power, not the
and he said, Obi, see me, Baba bless you. Not say ordinance left a tool, so or he be everyone.
Okay.
You need to know that.
Okay.
And so be so ordinance me a tool, so it means oh ye now a sama. It's either or ye the good one out of you and give you negative, and either or ye the negative out of you and give you the positive.
Okay. And how can you identify the two?
You need to be more vigilant and knowledgeable on that aspect. So maybe say, you dare not. You see, and if you are watching me, then you should be very, very vigilant.
Okay. Even at church.
And even back on you should know the caliber of that person.
Okay.
And you should know the heart that the person has. Because yeah. Either say negative and that's positive. You don't know.
Okay.
So you have to be very careful when kneeling down in front of your pastors, prophets, whoever. Because they might have the negative energy within them and they want to do what? They want to send it out.
Okay.
So they will use you as a ram sacrifice then they will send the thing in you. So you have to be very careful.
Oh, okay.
So, and when you are it's a caution.
Yeah.
And you're too hard when you send a bear who say,
and Yama cost.
Yama air cost,
okay.
So, Yama air cost, now, all the palms on share, I'm sure. Let my door say,
oh, yes. No, the beer hammy.
Okay. Also, we share first line. She send a line it here. Also, any street.
Yeah.
As I
have crooked side.
I have crooked. Actually, say you are a very emotional woman.
Okay.
Very emotional. And Sebi, Uber does well, we do Akuma. And Edo.
Oh, okay.
We love it all. And see, I have crooked now. She top.
Yeah.
Once a line Kakrabiwa. And to watch you open your heart breaks more than 10 times.
Oh, my bravo.
Men will take advantage of your kindness. Men will take the advantage of your emotions and how you give love to them.
Okay.
So you have to be very careful. Because when you are easy to forgive, but it takes time to forget.
And that is true.
Very bad.
It's true.
Very bad. So once you know yourself to be that, I was always very careful.
Okay.
Very, very careful. Make sure you. Yeah. This line.
Yeah.
Yeah. On the line they say.
This one is 3.
Aside from this.
Okay.
On the 3. On the 3 way, I was a higher 2.
Yeah.
Higher 2. Actually, I say mindful. And so we worry 2 times.
Okay.
First marriage, let's say. That was our review.
Okay.
We share as well. You give birth to 5 children. 5. I'm telling you. Okay. But along the line, even it may be before marriage or in the process of marriage.
Okay.
So what you say? But it will be intentional.
Okay.
I am not ready for that. I'm not. I need to give some time. I don't want to go into details. So it happens, okay? These are some of the things that we want people to know.
Okay.
That the palm is not... You can't hide anything.
Okay. From yourself?
No.
But
and day in, day out, so no. Yeah, near. Mark and become even free move.
Okay. In the palm, no?
In the palm, no. Even more come and even was free move. Also, the right palm talks about your infancy, tendency. Your infancy, your childhood, your you know. But left one, your adult age to your old age. So what you say?
Okay.
And see, sana, yen sana etie. Share, mommy, papa, me about me. I came out to tell you, you are a miraculous being. Okay, you don't need any pastor, you don't need any malam, you don't need any prophet, you don't need any chief priest. Personally, you are powerful.
Okay.
Personally, you are powerful. What matters is to realize the signs within you, to realize the God within you, to spark the God within you, which is the Christ. Okay. Christ said the kingdom of the Father is where? It's within you.
Yes.
Isn't it? Say, ask, you shall be given. Seek, you shall find. Knock, shall be opened unto you.
There is something in me. I have to work on it because reading of the palm, for instance, a lot of people don't believe in it. As in Ghana now, a woman, oh, can cry, and I dream myself, this is not necessary. And what's a mayor?
You see, lack of knowledge, my people perish. Yeah. That says Jesus. And in Ghana, we are being perished because of we lack common sense.
Okay.
We lack wisdom. We have all the resources, but we are suffering.
Okay.
Because when somebody is talking, don't listen to the voice, but listen to the ethics, listen to the spirits, listen to the power, and connect with it.
Okay.
Always make sure you are a true seeker.
Okay.
Do not be assuming all the time. All the time you accumulate assumptions in your mind all the time. About the sana ube bread.
Okay.
be open-minded. I need the truth and I want to seek the truth and I want to find the truth.
Okay.
Most definitely, if you do that, you will see the truth.
Okay.
Wherever the truth is coming from, you will accept it.
Yeah. How can you spark the Christ in you?
Well, the sparking of the Christ has a lot to do.
Okay.
It's either ubeshia sanyasi, ubeshia guru, ubeshia ubeshia master, ubia. Jesus was sparked by John the Baptist.
Yeah.
Isn't?
Isn't.
Jesus was sparked by John the Baptist. So you need somebody who dwells into it, who know much about spirituality to spark the Christ within you. And when the Christ within you is being sparked, you are not going to seek for any prophets for help, any malam, any whatever. You can do it on your own, and life will become so comfortable for you.
I've learned a lot today from you.
We are all learning.
Yes, but I hope my viewers and so almost here. So our time is up. So I really wanted us to continue, but because of time, we have to end here. But your final words to the viewers, and if someone wants to communicate to you.
My final word is lack of knowledge. Why people perish. Okay. And we should learn a lot. I'm not calling anybody to come to me.
Yeah.
Okay, if you see light within me and you think I can be of help, you are invited. And obia open mechira kwa biano me work as one is quarters.
Okay.
Me school so your school. Obet ma follow up our the channel which is on YouTube, Seeker of Truth TV. Obet ma follow up on Facebook, Seeker of Truth. Okay. Mechira bia me biano ewo. Obet ma friend so ewo 02414931143 02414931143.
Nyamishrapa yenase ahafo energy eyade a yesua ade papa Dr. Mohamed na me no twetwi enkomo no komoden ase obefre na oni no edi nsawoso ne wanti ase bia no obetwemu de atrewo. There were all the social media platform no as follow yen na like na share subscribe so efa emame media any Empress and ememe nyina ketwe wa kope ye besan ehia bi makra.